What's going on, guys? Mr. Drew at Mark Drew Speaks. Ooh, still moving, still believing, still grooving, still getting it done. But it's a lot of action. Just reminding you, you got to act. You got to move out there. When opportunity shows itself, then we got to move. It's easy to be stagnant, easy to start swiping. It's easy to chill, relax, get complacent with a couple contracts or get complacent with no contracts. But we have to move. Move. Believing in vision is the key. Yes, we have to see it. We have to move. There has to be change in there. A commitment to that grind if you want it. And I see it, man. So many people are out there just getting it. But a majority talk about wanting it and they're really not chasing. Come on, chase the lion. Be tenacious of it. Go get it. It can happen, baby. That's on you. Maybe it is money. Maybe it is a better relationship. Maybe it is just a little bit of financial freedom and security. But it is there. Be hungry. That's my word to you. I'm hungry. It's almost lunchtime. Hey, what y'all want to eat? At Mark Drew Speaks.